Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English in Daily Life. I'm Jennifer.
And I'm Charlie. We're so happy you are here with us today.
Let me ask you a quick question.
Can you talk about your daily work routine in English?
If your answer is not really or I'm not confident, don't worry. This video is for you.
Exactly. Today, we will help you speak about your daily routine in a simple and natural way.
We will talk slowly, clearly, and we will practice together.
And remember, you don't need perfect English, you just need confidence.
So grab a notebook, relax, and let's get started.
Charlie, let's start from the beginning of the day. What time do you wake up?
I usually wake up at 7 a.m., but sometimes I wake up late.
Ha ha ha, that's honest. I wake up at 6:30 a.m. I like quiet mornings.
Do you feel sleepy in the morning?
Yes, sometimes, but I try to stay active. I drink water and stretch a little.
That's a good habit. I usually check my phone first. Messages, notifications.
Be careful. That can waste a lot of time.
I know I'm trying to improve.
So after that, what do you do?
I brush my teeth, wash my face, and take a shower.
Same here. Then I get dressed for work.
Do you choose your clothes quickly?
Not always. Sometimes I spend too much time deciding.
Ha ha ha. That's normal.
After getting ready, I have breakfast. I usually eat something light.
What do you eat?
Maybe toast and eggs or just fruit.
Nice. I prefer a heavy breakfast. I feel more energetic.
That's good. Breakfast is important.
Repeat after me.
I wake up early.
I brush my teeth.
I take a shower.
I get dressed.
I have breakfast.
Now let's make a full sentence.
I wake up at 7 a.m. and get ready for work.
Try it. Say it loudly. Jennifer, how do you go to work?
I go by bus. It takes about 30 minutes.
What do you do during your travel time?
Sometimes I listen to music, sometimes I think about my day.
That's nice. I work from home, so I don't travel.
That saves time.
Yes, but sometimes I miss going outside. Practice. I go to work by bus. It takes 30 minutes. I work from home.
Now let's talk about work. What do you do when you start work?
The first thing I do is open my laptop and check emails.
Same here. Emails are very important.
Sometimes I have too many emails.
Haha, yes. That can be stressful.
After that, I make a to-do list.
That's a great habit. It helps you stay focused.
Yes. I write all my tasks for the day.
What kind of tasks do you usually do?
I attend meetings, reply to emails, and work on projects.
Do you like meetings?
Honestly, not always. Sometimes they are too long.
Haha, I agree.
Yesterday, I had a meeting for 2 hours.
Wow, that's long.
Yes, I was tired after that.
What did you do after the meeting?
I took a short break and drank coffee. Practice sentences. I check my emails. I attend meetings. I work on my tasks. I make a to-do list.
Break time is very important. Do you take breaks?
Yes, I take a break every 2 to 3 hours.
What do you do during your break?
I drink coffee, relax, or watch short videos.
I like to walk or stretch my body.
That's healthy. Practice. I take a break. I relax. I drink coffee.
Let's talk about after work. What do you do?
I finish work at 5 p.m. Then I relax.
Do you go out?
Sometimes. I meet friends or go for a walk.
That sounds nice. I usually stay home and watch TV.
Do you cook?
Yes. Sometimes I cook dinner. Practice. I finish work at 5 p.m. I go home. I relax. Now let's do a longer conversation. Listen carefully. What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 a.m.
What do you do in the morning?
I brush my teeth, take a shower, and have breakfast.
How do you go to work?
I work from home.
What do you do at work?
I check emails, attend meetings, and work on tasks.
Do you take breaks?
Yes, I take short breaks.
What do you do after work, Jay?
I relax and spend time with family. Viewer task.
Now it's your turn.
Pause the video and answer.
What time do you wake up?
What do you do at work?
Amazing job today. You are improving your English step by step.
Remember, speaking English is a skill. You need practice.
Speak every day, even for 5 to 10 minutes.
And don't be afraid of mistakes.
Write your daily routine in the comments.
We will read and reply.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
See you next time. Bye.